Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Nothing Phone 1, and in this video we would like to show how you can set Opera as your default browser on this device. Alright, so first of all open up the settings. Here go for the apps category, default apps. At the default apps page you want to tap on the browser app, and here simply select Opera, therefore making it the default browser on your device. There is also the second way to do that directly from the Opera application itself. So let's go ahead and see how it should be done as well. So let me just open, first of all find and then open the Opera. Here at the bottom right corner tap on your avatar, then tap on this gear or cog icon that stands for settings. Scroll down for a little bit, and here you'll be able to find the default browser section which you want to tap on. Click on next, and here select Opera and set it as the default app for browsing. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.